Good evening, everyone. I am here with you a new story. As you know, we are trying to make a series of story. How a person through that story, how can build your confidence in our daily life. We everybody like know story. Story have a vital role in our practical life. So let's go through the story. Once upon a time, in a place, both brother Kon and Mon, they are staying together. They don't have parents. Their parents died earlier ago. Kon was elder brother, Mon was small brother. One day, Mon told, Brother, we have a property of father, so we should division between us. We can divide it. Kon was very clever. Mon was very simple. He always followed his brother. So Kon told, Brother, we have only three things: one cow, one blanket, and another fruit tree. So, blanket for me night time and for you daytime. You can use it daytime, but I will use it night time. That time I will not share with you. Mon obeyed the word. And he told, Cow, last part for me and first part for you. You have to give water, grass, and cattle feed to all, to your first part, and I will take my last part. And tree, upper part for me and down part for you. So as how he divided all things between brother. Mon did not understand his cleverly, and he thought it is the division of brother. Whatever he did, everything is okay. He was very simple and very, you can say, very slight man. So night time he was using blanket and he did not share with his brother. He was suffering in cold. He was taking milk from cow. He did not any small drop of milk his brother. He was drinking all milk. And fruit, he was plucking fruits from tree and he did not share also with Mon. Mon was very upset by this all situation. He know everything, but he could not no protest against him. In neighbor, an old lady was staying. She was observing all things. One day she came near Mon and told, Dear, I have an idea. If you work according to my suggestion, so you will be lucky and you can teach a brother a lesson. So when he want to take milk from cow, so you can beat your cow first part. If he says something, you should say first part for me. I can do everything. It is not matter of you. And when he go outside, you can wet your blanket daytime whole day and just give it evening time on the rope. If he says something, you can say give him reply same, means blanket for me daytime. I can do everything. It is not matter of you. And when he want to pick up the fruit from the tree, you can start cutting the tree. If he says something, so you should say same answer. I can do everything with my part. It is not your matter. Just take your part. So this lady gave that type of idea Mon, and next day morning time he wet the blanket and he did not give it when the sun hit. Now when night time Kon want to use, so Kon God blanket is wet. He told, why did you wet? He told, daytime for me. I can do everything. It is not matter of you. Just be silent. And next morning, Kon when went to take milk from cow, he was beating cow very badly. Kon told, "Why, brother, are you doing?" He told, "Brother, I can do everything with my part. It is not matter of you." And after a few minutes, when he was trying to climb the tree, a mango tree for plucking the mango, he was cutting the mango's trunk. And Kon was shouting from the upper side, "Brother, brother, don't cut. I am upper side, otherwise I will fall downside." Mon told, "It is not my matter. I can do everything with my part." So then realized Kon that I was clever, but no, he is also clever more than me. And he told, "Brother, I am so sorry. I did lot of mistake with you. I also tried to deprive you from all property of my father, so it was totally wrong for me. Please forgive me. We are brother. We can stay together brotherhoodly. We can use blanket together. We can eat milk together, and we can fruit together. So whatever I did for that, I am so sorry. Please forgive me." So they were staying same place with brotherhoodly, so their life was going on very well. So moral of that story: when we have something, we should to always share with other. Not everything, but something have a private. I am not telling about that, but general life we have some there we can share with other. When we'll share, so we'll find joy, happiness, and lot of happy. And another things, if you have that type of story in your mind and really you think about English, if you want to improve your English communication, so do this. Try to record yourself daily basis and try to bring some improvement in your daily life. Day by day, your one step will give you more benefit, and day by day, you will find yourself to progress your destiny. Your destiny is not so far, your destiny is so near. When you will work hard regularly, when you will try to improve yourself regularly, so this is not so far. One day you will become a good speaker, and one day you will be called a professional speaker. So for today, this is enough. Tomorrow we will meet with a new story, and we will continue this story series for a long time. Thank you for watching.